Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'd like to quickly talk about the best voice changer out right now. Now this voice changer not only has absolutely any voice you could think of using, but it's also free to use. Now the link is pinned in the comment section as well as pinned in the description for you to try out, and you could let me know what you think. Now this voice changer, I have it up right here, has many different voices to choose from a bunch of different guy voices to a bunch of different female voices, which I feel like is one of the most popular ones. As a guy, you want to do female voice trolling because it's funny. They have game characters, robots, game characters here, Revenant, Thresh, Orc, Elf, CSGO. It's a bunch of funny stuff you could do. They even have soundboards that you could use, and I just, recommend giving this a shot. Completely free to use. Link in the description.
Here are a few of them, because it's impossible to talk while hearing myself.
But so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly go through a few of the voices that you can try out. And
Here's obviously I started with this one. Might be a little difficult to understand what I'm saying, but just a guy voice. And
I'll put this back on default. You can also create one if you're not. I can't hear myself talk. That's impossible. You can also create one if some of them aren't fitting to what you exactly like. There's a robot one here.
A few robots that you can do, game characters that you can.
Some game characters that you can do as well.
Ice King from Fortnite.
And quite a few other options like Pathfinder and.
I find this one quite funny. This one is just pretty one to use.
And
There's also soundboards you can use and stuff like that. I just also wanted to show if you go to all, they have different options like add Wi-Fi reception. They have a horn that you can use.
a radio, stuff like that, and a telephone, everything you can use like that. Yeah, they got a bunch of different ones like underwater and whatever this is. I'm not sure what this is. They got funny sounds, drowning. Oh, Jesus. They got a little studio mic. But yeah, they got a bunch of different ones that you can try out, and I highly recommend giving this voice changer a shot. Completely free to use. Link in the description, and let me know what you guys think. So when you install it, in order for you to use the app, you will actually have to, if you want to use on like Discord or everything like that, you'll actually have to go to Discord, which this is my Discord. If you need help setting anything up or any questions about anything that I do, the Discord link is also pinned in the description. Go to user settings, just like that, voice and video. Make sure you set it up. It would be this one up here, the name of the app. So yeah, definitely put this on. And then now when your calls, every voice you change your mic to will go through that. But when you're done using it, make sure to change your mic back. Also, if you'd like to use it for everything, which it also shows you how to optimize experience in Discord, like to use for everything, you can just go into your settings. Same thing, go to voice, or actually go to audio. Right here, audio settings, and you just choose your mic here, which you would just choose the well, it's already set to VoiceWave, but I use this microphone, whatever microphone you use. But if you want to use the voice changer, choose it to VoiceWave, and now it's set up to pretty much everywhere you go will be using this this voice changer, no matter which one you click, stuff like that. Same thing for Fortnite and any game you like playing.